Hi, I'm Teddy Burriss, your LinkedIn strategist and trainer, and I want to show you a feature that's fairly new called Find an Expert. And you'll find that on Start a Post, Find an Expert. Underneath the plus there, I can hide it or open it back up. There are more things that are coming here, but right now the one I want to share with you is Find an Expert. So how does this work? Well, the way this works is it uses the data that LinkedIn has been collecting for many months now, maybe close to a year, under providing services. And in providing services, you put keywords and key phrases that are related to the services you provide. Now, back to how do you use this feature, Find an Expert. So I click on Start a Post. So I click on Find an Expert. LinkedIn's going to remind you of the same thing I'm going to remind you every day. You're more likely to find what you're looking for. Trusted experts, new employees, new jobs, new resources, new systems, and almost everything that you're looking for in life, career, and business. You're going to find through your network, especially if you're building a network of people that you can trust, respect, and like, and that's mutually beneficial. So if I click on Next, you'll see that I have the ability to select the category. So what category am I looking for help in? Now, LinkedIn's got some very finite categories here, accounting, coaching, design, and maybe this doesn't cover everything you want. But if you did go to accounting, look what options you have under what type of accounting. So you got a little bit more of a broader look in some specific areas related to accounting. The same thing for marketing. If I go to marketing, click on select a service, and you can see I've got a little broader areas of help regarding marketing. And it's fairly inclusive. However, I can go to other, then I can type in any kind of words I want to type in, and LinkedIn will bring up options. And so you're going to have to narrow it down and find the option that you're looking for. And I can type in consulting, and there's all the different consulting options. Management has a bunch of different options. So you got to look for and hone in on the keyword or phrase, i.e. service, that you're looking for, that you want help with. And so again, whether you choose it from one of the top categories or go to other and drill in on a specific keyword phrase, i.e. service. Now, once I've chosen that, I can choose my location. I can leave it in my default location, or I can go to Los Angeles if I want to and say I want help in Los Angeles. Then I can fill in the description. I use 750 characters here. So you fill it in, you tell a very deliberate story about the type of help that you want from this expert in this location. And then once you've written your message, your description, then you hit done. And then LinkedIn is going to show you, here's the description I typed in where I should have very clearly said what kind of help do I want in the context of down below here of event planning in Los Angeles. So very purposeful for you to build out a search for an expert or find an expert in this area around this kind of work. And then when I hit post, now LinkedIn is going to share that, hit see more, and my network has the ability to see this. Now, I'm only assuming at this point with this next statement that LinkedIn wants these types of posts to get seen and used more often. And if that's the case, I would imagine that their algorithms are going to show these types of posts more often, trying to get our networks to see that, which is great for us, great for LinkedIn to promote the use of these services. So try this out, see how it works for you, and again, make sure that on your own profile, you have the right services selected there so that you can get found for the services you do from posts like these that others create. I'm Teddy Burriss, your LinkedIn strategist and trainer, and I hope you take advantage of this feature and let me know how it works for you.